Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsey, and if you guys are not subscribed to me, I would really appreciate it if you would and you guys would join the family. This is a vlog channel. It started out as a makeup channel, but I do not upload makeup videos anymore. I throw them in there every now and then, but the purpose of this video is basically to tell you guys why I decided to start Herbalife. I recently started my little weight loss journey and I decided to join Herbalife. So I decided to do this sit down video and kind of explain to you guys why I did, because I get a lot of comments and you guys ask me a lot why I started Herbalife, how is it working for me, do I like it so far, and so on and so forth. And I'm just going to sit down and tell you guys in this separate video. This is not going to be a vlog. The vlogs are coming. They're also being uploaded. So I don't know if you guys are going to see a vlog before this, or you guys are going to see this and then a vlog. I have no idea. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I basically just wanted to touch base with you guys first on why I started. And I'm going to be drinking my dressed herba shake. So if you guys want to see how I got this delicious stuff, then let me show you guys how I made this first real quick. So first off, I'm going to fill up my cup maybe a third of the way. The less water you use and the more ice, the frostier it gets, kind of like a milkshake. So I'm going to start off with 1 scoop of the protein powder, and then I'm going to do 1 scoop of pralines and cream and 1 of banana caramel, just because of the flavor that I want to get this for this specific drink. More often than not, I do like 2 scoops of mint chocolate or 2 scoops of cookies and cream. I just decided to mix these 2 together, 1 scoop of each, to get a different flavor. So now I'm going to leave the whole blending process as is. I'm not going to speed it up, just so that you guys can see exactly how much time I blend it for. The more you blend it, I feel, is the best way, just for me, because I like it to taste like ice cream. Like the consistency of it, I do like it really thick, and the more ice you put, the more thick it's gonna get, and you guys will see how thick mine gets in a little bit. But I just blend it first without the ice for about a minute, and I'm going to show you guys here. Like, even flipping over the cup, you can see that it doesn't come down right away. It's just the perfect consistency. It's like a frosty. So now for the ice, I'm going to let all of the shake go down, and it's still maybe a little bit more than a third of the way. So I'm going to grab like 3 handfuls full of ice, and I'm going to put that, I wouldn't know like how many exactly, but I just fill up the cup a little under like where the little lines cup, to where you screw on the the mixing part or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but I just fill up the cup a good ways, just so that it'll be thick. And here I'm also going to show you guys the amount of time that I blend it for. You might have to turn it off and unscrew the cup and mix it around so that the shake can go down to the ice, because sometimes it gets stuck and it won't blend all the way, and then you're just gonna end up breaking your blender. But just do what I did here and then start it all over again, and it should be perfect. It should mix everything. And then once it all goes down, I don't know if you guys can see on the top part where it looks kind of yellowish, I don't stop mixing mine until the whiter part. I'm gonna zoom in here a little bit so that you guys can see. You guys see where the line of the shake is right now? I'm not gonna stop until that line reaches the very top. You guys can see how it's like moving upward. Once it reaches the very top, that's when I know my shake is like the perfect consistency. It's super thick, like a frosty, like a milkshake. It's going to be bomb. And then I'm gonna add my sugar-free Hershey's caramel syrup, and this is just extra. This is going to be a dressed herba shake. So I usually also always use the Belvita caramel biscuits, but I didn't have those. But basically what I would do is put a crushed biscuit at the very bottom, add my shake, and then put some chopped pecans on top, and voila, it's done. You have an amazing shake, and all that's left to do is enjoy it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little recipe of mine. This is by far my second favorite shake. I've also made a banana split flavored shake with the stuff that I have in my pantry. So if you guys want to see how I make my flavored banana split shake, then just let me know or give this video a big thumbs up and I will make that one next. I also have teas that I can show you guys how I make also, if that's something that you guys are interested in watching. I will definitely make those videos. If you guys have been following me for the past 4 years, you guys would know that I suck at eating. Like, for one, I know what's good and what's bad for your body. I know what's good and bad foods. I know that most of what I eat was shit because honestly, like, I became a mom 2.5 years ago, so I've never been the breakfast kind of person. I hate breakfast. I hate eating breakfast. I'm someone who just lunges into lunch food, and that is not the best thing for you to do. And my dinners were usually always really late at night, and that's also something that you should not do, because if you eat right before bed, all the food that you just consumed is going to stay put. You're not really going to work it off. You're not really going to be moving around or anything, so all of that is just going to turn into fat, especially if what you're eating was not healthy. Just imagine what's going to happen to the cheeseburger you eat right before bed. It's not going to be the best thing for you. You're going to gain a lot of weight, and especially me, I haven't had it like a job in years. I was a stay-at-home wife. Now I'm also a stay-at-home mom. So it was usually just wake up, eat lunch, clean the house, wash dishes, wash clothes, you know, do your basic wife duties, and then make dinner. By the time my husband got home from work, it was already like 7, 8 in the evening, and that's the time we were eating dinner. Shower, get everything ready for the next day, and go to bed. So that was pretty much killing me. So that is why I decided to join Herbalife. Now, if you guys do not know, if you guys have never heard of Herbalife before, I came across this about 2 months ago. Basically what these shakes are, they are meal replacements. So what I do is I replace my breakfast and dinner with a shake. Your shakes do not have to be boring by any means. This is not boring, guys. This is delicious. Literally tastes like banana caramel. It tastes like banana nut ice cream. That is exactly what this tastes like. If you guys are a fan of ice cream, these shakes are going to be your best friend. You're not gonna hate like making your shake. Drinking your shake is not gonna become something like, oh my god, I have to make my shake. You guys are going to love it. You use a protein powder, which is the, I guess, the base of everything. How I make my shakes is I add 1 scoop of protein powder and then 2 scoops of Formula 1. I'm going to read to you guys what it states on here. A lot of you were kind of confused and were saying to me like, you're not consuming everything that your body needs and stuff like that, and I love Herbalife so much because I don't consume all this healthy stuff in a meal. I know that I do not. Before Herbalife, I was not eating my vegetables. I was not eating the right protein. I was eating more rice than chicken, more mashed potatoes than my steak. Like, I just had everything all messed up, and I could say that I was eating right, but at the same time I wasn't eating the right foods, if that makes sense. This video is going to be so confusing, I already know it, but it says the protein drink mix is a great tasting snack and an ideal way to boost your protein intake throughout the day. It provides 15 grams of protein plus essential nutrients to help satisfy hunger and give you lasting energy. Each serving is packed with 24 vitamins and minerals and is an excellent source of antioxidants. It mixes easily with water, making it ideal for a nutritious snack or protein boost on the go. And then inside the Formula Ones, it says, Formula One is a delicious, healthy meal that provides an ideal balance of protein and nutrition to help satisfy your hunger and give you lasting energy. Each shake is packed with 21 vitamins and minerals, herbs, and is an excellent source of antioxidants. Clinical studies have shown that daily use of meal replacement shakes is proven effective for managing weight along with moderate exercise. So this is definitely not something, this isn't a magic shake. This isn't going to make you lose 40 pounds in a month. Like, no. It'll work if you work with it, you guys. I have been exercising, I won't say every single day because I do skip my days. So now I'm going to tell you guys what's inside the tea. This is the herbal tea concentrate. This is formulated with caffeine, which jumpstarts your metabolism and provides a boost to help you feel revitalized. This refreshing low-calorie blend of orange, pico, and green tea provides antioxidant support. You get 60 servings per container. And then you also add in your aloe. I use the mango aloe and I have my lemon tea. And just recently, as of yesterday, I started adding in my skin collagen beauty booster. So what this is going to do is going to firm your skin, get rid of cellulite. It says it nourishes the skin from within and provides the nutrients to maintain youthful and radiant skin. It is formulated with Verisol collagen, which has been tested to show support of skin elasticity and the reduction of fine wrinkles. It is also formulated with vitamin A, C, E. Vitamins C and E help provide free radical cell damage that ages your skin. This formula supports strong nails and healthy hair with your selenium, zinc, and biotin. You mix it with water or add to your shake, tea, or aloe. So what I've been doing is half a tablespoon of lemon tea, cap full of mango aloe, and then I also add a scoop of this with some sliced strawberries. Oh my god, that tea is going to give you so much energy. That is what I drink before I work out in the morning, and it's like way better than an energy drink because it honestly, if you guys are feeling at your lowest, drink the tea and you guys are going to get up and want to run a mile. This does not make you jittery. It doesn't do any of that. It just gives you the right amount of energy that you guys need to get up and do stuff, to get up and be active. I noticed that once I started drinking the shakes, I would get fuller faster, and I was giving my body everything that it needed to, like, all the healthy stuff that my body was lacking, that I was lacking in eating, I was getting it from these shakes. So all I have to worry about now is eating one meal a day plus my snacks, my healthy snacks. So another thing that I am doing, because I do have a family, I do have a husband and a almost 3-year-old daughter to feed. My daughter is about to turn 3 in December. She is pickier. So we are a Mexican household. So I do make a lot of Mexican food. So the days that my husband is off from work, I'm not going to just be shoving chicken and white rice and cauliflower mashed potatoes down his throat. Of course, he's going to want his arroz con pollo. He's going to want his enchiladas. He's going to want his mole. He's going to want calabaza con pollo and stuff like that. And of course, I'm going to make it and I'm going to eat the same things that my family is eating. But the difference is that I'm not going to be eating as much as he is at lunchtime, because that's the time that I eat my food. I'm going to eat the same thing. I'm going to eat my calabaza con pollo. I'm going to eat my mole. I'm going to eat my enchiladas. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to eat 2 full plates of it. I have been able to lose 15 pounds with exercising every other day. I'm doing the best that I can here at home. I recently just signed up for personal training, so that is something else that I'm about to start also. And eating the way that I have been eating, I've been able to lose the 15 pounds. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of what I look like before and a picture of what I look like now, and you guys are going to see for yourself the big difference. You guys do not see this in my vlogs because I'm not going to stand there for a long time and be like, you guys look at my fat. Of course not. That's not something I'm proud of by any means, but I'm proud of how my body's changing. I'm proud of what I've been able to do so far. I just wanted you guys to understand it a little bit better, like why I decided to do Herbalife and stuff, just because I feel like it works for me. I'm not telling you, if you guys want to lose weight, you have to go out and try Herbalife. It is very expensive, I'm not going to lie, it is so expensive, but I also think that it's so worth it if you work with it. If you guys see me eating something I'm not supposed to, do not freak out. I know what I'm eating, but I also know how I'm working out. I talk to my coach almost every day and she's so helpful. So as long as I have the green light, the thumbs up from her, then I'm gonna go ahead and keep on doing what I'm doing. Like I said, it's working for me. I'm still losing the weight, and I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys other than this stuff is basically everything you need in your life. It's nutritious, it's good, it gives you everything that you need, that your body needs. So I just wanted to make this quick video and telling you guys why I decided to start Herbalife and stuff, because I felt like that's what I needed in order to get everything that I needed to be consuming. Herbalife was the best thing for me. So yeah, if you guys know how to eat the right way, then you do not need Herbalife. It's just, I never knew how much of what to eat. Of course I know the serving size, but I never knew how much protein I was gonna need, how much healthy fats I was gonna need, how much I don't even know the right terms for all these things. I just knew you eat a little bit and that's it, and you eat several times a day. I honestly don't know what else to tell you guys, but giving you guys my reason and to not freak out if you see me eating Mexican food. Like, it's okay. As long as you're still being active, as long as you're still working out and doing what you're supposed to, drinking the shakes and teas the way you're supposed to, it is fine. I mean, I don't know what else to say, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little rant, because I just felt like I needed to fill you guys in on why I was doing all of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.